Hey, this is Berham Wahid, how to take a stratified sample. Let's just write that down. So in statistics, to get information, we have to take samples as well, because to take the whole population, sometimes it's very difficult, other times lack of money, lack of time, so we take samples. And one of the best ways to do sampling is stratified sampling, because it does a mixture of random sampling and it evenly divides it up. That's stratified sampling. So the advantages are it's fair, it has a variety, and it takes some time. Disadvantage is it does take time, but not too much. But overall, the advantages weigh the disadvantages. So in stratified sampling, well, the problem with random sampling is, let's say I got a school with 300 students, 100 year 7s, 100 year 8s, and 100 year 9s, and I want to take 10 samples. Right, so I could do a random sampling of do the school enjoy homework, and in that random sampling all of them could be year 7s. The problem with that is because it's not a variety, because I would like some year 8s and year 9s, so I have a range of data. But in random sampling, it's random, so it could happen, it couldn't happen. With stratified sampling, this always happens. So stratified sampling works like this. I have 300 students, 100 in year 7, 100 in year 8, and 100 in year 9. Right, okay. Stratified sampling does this. So I want to take 10 overall. I do these three. I do 10 divided by 3, which equals 3.3 recurring. Okay. Because we can't exactly have a third of a person, I'll say we're going to do 12. So we're going to change this to 12. So we can have 12 divided by 3, which equals 4. You guys get that? Yeah. So I take 4 out of this 100 randomly, 4 out of this 100 randomly, and 4 out of this 100 randomly. Now with this, I get overall, guess. With this I get overall 4 plus 4 plus 4, 12 samples. Like my 12 samples with equal year 9s, equal year 8s, and equal year 7s. Now the reason why this is good, because each person has a better chance, because in random sampling, like I said, they could all be year 7s, so year 8s and 9s have less chance. But in stratified sampling, each year 9, each of those 100 students had a better chance of being chosen in a random sample. Also, like I said, it's got a variety, it's fairer, and if I'm honest, it gives you better data. So now one thing you do, now the reason why it is so good is because you split it into different groups and you take 4 random people. By doing this, you put all the names in random.org, or allocate them on numbers and put all the numbers in random.org. Get 4 numbers from random.org. Remember that. Random. Get rid of the h.org. So you go on that. Let's type it again. Write it again. Yep. So I use random.org. Type in the numbers. Find 4 of those 100 and get that. So that's literally it. Thanks guys for listening. See you.